Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can create NFT for free on your mobile devices. So before we get right into the video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I create new content like this one. So let's get started. I'm going to be taking you to my phone screen right now to show you step by step on how I get through it. Okay, now welcome to my phone screen. Now I'm going to be taking you to my Chrome. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create free NFT without you spending a dime. Let me put on my mobile data so we can get internet. Yeah, let's go right into it. So I'm going to be going to this site called Moment. Yeah, I'm going to be going to the site called Moment. Yeah, I'm back online. I'm receiving notifications from everywhere. So this is the website you're going to be using. Sorry, my bad. I already logged on the website, so you can see this is my account. So I already have NFT created, 2 NFT already, but I'm going to be walking you step by step on how you can create your own, and I'm going to be creating one in this video, so as an example for you. So this is my profile page. You can see I have 2 NFT already created, and then let me show you. When you get to this website, all you have to do is just to sign up. You have to sign up. If I log out now, it's going to take us back to the sign up page, but if you don't have account already, it's going to ask you to sign up. Then you have to sign up with your email and then fill up everything. So this is how to get started. After you sign up, you get something page like this. So without NFT in it, because you haven't created none, then you have to click on the plus icon below, which is the create button, which will say upload file. So you might be wondering, what NFT might I create? What NFT might I do? What NFT can I do? So I'm going to be doing an example for you with a picture of mine. I'm going to be creating it from scratch with and that's all my video theory, man. It's very hard. So I'm going to be taking you to the picture I'm going to be using to create the NFT. Yeah, I love this picture so much, so I'm going to be turning it to an NFT. So I'll go to the code. Wow, I don't want to use it on site, but I want to make it an act. Like, okay, yes, here we are. I want to make it artistic. Yeah, you can see. Is it artistic? I'm going to be using the oil paint effect. Then I'm going to be, let me make it look a bit down so you guys can see my face and know it is me. Let me add a little bit fade and then a little bit more down. I don't want my face not showing that well, so I'm going to be adding this. So cool. I'm still going to be adding one feature, which is the magic of when the undead. So wow, this is changing color. I'm not gonna like this because I don't want my color to went down. I'm just going to remove it. I don't want this. Normal. I don't want this. I'm gonna be clicking down. So I think I'm gonna be using the flora to check it out. Yeah, I think the flora is cool, and then I'm gonna be adding the oil paint effect. Wow, I think I can add both. I have to add one. So I think I'm gonna be going with the flora because the flora look more decent and very colorful. So I think this is good for an NFT. I'm gonna save it. Yes, it's as simple as that. And then I'm just gonna go back to my Chrome and then come back to my page here. You can see my page, and then I'm gonna be clicking the upload file. They're not gonna be charging me a dime for it. So I'm gonna pick up the video, the picture, and then I'm gonna title it Tamilo Lovato. I'm gonna be using my name as the NFT name, Dami Lovato. I'm gonna be writing something about it. I love this photo so much, so I decided to edit it and turn it into NFT. Wow, I'm just gonna be writing the description for the photo and then next, and then here we go. My NFT is being created. Uploading, yes, and then my NFT is here, and then I'm going to be choosing a price for it. I'm going to be using a flat rate. I'm not going to be charging much because it's my personal picture. I'm going to be putting it at the rate of 760 or 70, let me say 70, and then I'm going to be putting a copy. Then I'm going to be getting the 100% royalty for sure. Oh, because I want to get 90%. I want to give out to people. Well, I must get 100% for sure. So this can be only used for personal. Wow. Let me put it on free usage, right? And then I'm gonna be choosing the category photograph. And then photo. I'm gonna be adding tags to it. Photoshop. I'm going to be adding my name, Dami Lovato. So when they put on my name for a search, they're going to find it. And then I'm going to say add Lovato, and then Dami. Wow, I think I'm going to remove the Y. I'm going to add in my full name, Dami Lola. I'm going to add my full name. Wow, cool. That's it. And then I'm gonna create mint NFT. And here goes my NFT is being mint for free of charge. And then I can resell and earn money from it. Wow, you can see drop new moment. Your first edition NFT have been deployed successfully. Other edition may still be minting. Say if you want me to share, I could pick up the link and share it on my social media account, and then I'm gonna be refreshing my page. You're gonna be seeing, yeah, it's on my page now. I have an NFT of me, and then you can see. And this is a good website that you can go. I'm gonna be leaving a link for it in the description, and I'm also gonna be leaving a link to my profile page in the description, so you can give me a follow on the app. You can just look for me on the app at Lovato. I'm going to be dropping a link for that too. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. You can put the like button and comment and share to your friends so they can watch too. Thank you.